In front of me is iPhone 17 Pro Max, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Passwords Manager. If you recently changed a password to any app that's saved in your Passwords Manager, you need to update it there or it will autofill wrong. To do it now, hit Utilities folder and tap on Passwords right away. Now enter your passcode and select All at the top left corner. Following that, you need to find your app by scrolling down, using those letters on the side, or clicking on the search bar at the bottom and typing in whatever you want to. When you find your password you wish to update, click on it and tap on Edit at the top right corner. Now you can change your password, username, and all of those other informations, even manage your notes, and when you finished, use this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!